Garlic, you're my favorite. Not. Hi, I'm Tracy Beckerman. I'm a registered dietitian in New York City, and it's my job to help you figure out what to eat and why. Let's talk garlic. This aromatic veg has packed a potent punch in pastas, pizzas, proteins, and of course, nuts. Today, I'm telling you exactly what's going on with this smelly and delicious food and how it could benefit you. Let's peel back the clove and see what's inside. Garlic is a vegetable in the onion family, native to Central Asia, Mediterranean regions, and the Middle East. It's a very nutrient-dense, low-calorie food with some serious anti-inflammatory qualities. Garlic can reduce the risk of developing cardiovascular disease thanks to its powerful and quite pungent anti-inflammatory properties. In research, garlic, along with onions, leeks, shallots, and chives, have been shown to reduce risk for cancer. It contains allyl sulfides, an anti-inflammatory compound that studies have shown to slow the rate of cancer cells. You might have heard an old wives' tale that garlic is an aphrodisiac, which is actually kind of true. Allicin, no, not your friend Allison, allicin is an active compound of garlic that can actually increase blood flow, which may enhance sexual energy. Va va boom. Hey, Allison, you looking pretty. So Allison, meet your friend Allyl. Allison and Allyl are best friends and they make us healthy like all the time. And of course, garlic keeps vampires away. Just kidding, vampires are not real. It's true, garlic can increase the intensity of body odor. The same powerful compounds that make garlic so healthy for our body can also be the reason why our sweat smells extra funky after a workout. When the allyl sulfide compounds in garlic are being metabolized, which can take up to 2 days, they enter our bloodstream and their odor can actually exit through the skin and mix with our sweat to create a pretty noticeable odor. So, a PSA from the person next to you in your spin class, please don't forget your deodorant in the middle of spin class. Want to grow your own garlic? You can actually place a garlic clove in the ground to grow a new garlic plant. Garlic needs a lot of sun exposure, so pick a sunny spot and you'll be garlicking out in no time. Don't go garlicking for trouble. Trouble's right here. Like all veggies, the nutrient power of garlic is reduced if you cook it with heat. I know, raw garlic is an acquired taste, but if you finely mince and chop raw garlic, you can add it to your avocado toast or guacamole for some flavor enhancements without the whoa, garlic taste. Try roasting a whole head of garlic in tin foil. Slice the top of the garlic bulb, drizzle olive oil into each clove, and roast for about 45 minutes until the cloves are soft. So you can spread it onto a warm sourdough baguette or use it in other dishes. I clove this recipe so much. Try some garlic honey lemon tea. In a saucepan, bring 3 cups of water and 3 smashed and peeled cloves of garlic to a boil. Turn off the heat and when the water boils, add half a cup of honey and a half a cup of fresh lemon juice. Strain and drink. You'll be drinking your way not just towards hydration station, but you'll be providing your body with a powerful nutritional shield to protect it from cold symptoms such as sore throat, coughing, and congestion. Now, go make yourself some GHLT, okay? There's certainly no harm in adding some garlic to your next meal. It's nutrient-rich, heart-healthy, and makes food taste delish. Just have a mint or some gum handy, especially if you're a close talker. See you next time for another episode of You vs. Food. Don't forget to comment, gar-like, and subscribe to Well+Good's YouTube channel. Gar-like, ding! My garlic bulb just went off and you should send this video to all your friends. Okay? Ooh, this smell is a crime.